Shalom, Israel. Jeremiah 17:4 says, "Thine, even thyself, shall discontinue from the heritage that I gave you." Attention, African Americans from the seed of Abraham. If you happen to be online looking for some spiritual insight so that you can edify yourselves, if you run across the GOCC gathering group, be wise when you view their videos when it comes to our old Hebrew heritage, because a lot of our Israelites, many of them, have decided to go back and start practicing the old covenant when it comes to our customs and our traditions. But I'm here to set the record straight. We are no longer connected to Israel. If you from the if you are from the tribe of Judah, from the seed of Abraham, that's the old covenant. We lost our Hebrew heritage when our ancestors rebelled against the Most High's laws, statutes, and commandments. So we are no longer sanctified as a people to practice out of the Torah. So when you see our brothers and sisters start observing a lot of these Hebrew calendars, these holidays, and the way the Passovers were as instructed by the Most High when it came to the Levites, they were the ones who were responsible for our customs and our traditions because they were the ones who shepherd our people. You need to pay very close attention if they start lighting candles, the way they conduct the ceremony, because you can bring a curse to yourself. Do you understand? You can actually curse yourself by going backwards. The only observance that we should be acknowledging and observing is Christ's death, burial, and resurrection. We are no longer a one nation. We are no longer sanctified to practice out of the Torah because we have no heritage, according to Jeremiah 17:4. So know the truth. Shalom.